for this one, 6x squared minus 17x plus 12, we can go ahead and try to factor it and see if that will work. So 12 times 6 is going to be 72. And we have to look and see if there are factors of 72 that add to negative 17. And that's going to be negative 9 and negative 8. So I'm going to apply the bottoms up method again. And this time, because we have a 6 here, we are going to divide both sides by 6. We will simplify first. They're not going to divide evenly, but they will simplify. Okay, and then we set both of these equal to 0. And so our answers are going to be x equals 4/3 and x equals 3/2. Now, if you want to write out the final factored version, I'll go ahead and write that too. Okay, and then in essence, you would set this one equal to 0 and get that, and this one equal to 0 and get that. But you can also just start from here and go there if you're not required to write this final factored form.